Hi, this video is about the boat insurance in the USA. Since 1993, Triton's agents have navigated the insurance market, making relationship with the first states and the national carriers. More options and more saving. One of our agents will contact you shortly after submitting your request. We work with the nation's top carriers and will assist you in obtaining the right coverage for your individual needs at the best possible rates. We give you options. What does boat and watercraft insurance cover? Typically, our insurance policies cover the most common perils related to the physical damage to the boat, sinking, fire, storm, theft, collision. What does boat and watercraft insurance cover in terms of items and labor cost? Standard policies for boat and watercraft offer reimbursement for various damaged items associated with the boating. This includes the boat itself and its motor, as well as the trailer used for towing the vessels. Additionally, coverage extends to the equipment permanently affixed to the boat, such as anchors, oars, trolling motors, extra fuel tanks, tools, removable canopies, seat cushions, life jackets, preserver, skies, tow ropes, dinghies, and more. Moreover, many watercraft insurance policies also include coverage for labor expense incurred in repairing or replacing the boat and its related equipment. Basic liability coverage is also commonly provided in most standard insurance policies, while Florida Florida law doesn't mandate boat insurance. It is advisable to carry some from the average to mitigate potential risk. Safer with Triton. Disclaimer: the insurance quotes generated by these websites are not a contract binder or agreements to extend insurance coverage are based on information you have supplied and basic assumptions in a few states about the applicable public fire protection class. To obtain coverage, you must submit a quiet request to Triton Insurance Group. And all the quiets requests for the coverage are subject to underwriting approval and subject to applicable state, province, and federal laws. All policies may not be available.